we just...
Pop, pop. They disappeared.
Oh.
Testing. Look at that.
Like, it's so weird.
It's like I want to roll the window down. Don't roll the window down. You have arrived at your destination.
Here. They said...
One of the guys at work was asking me, do you think this is how the zombie apocalypse will start? Have you lost your mind?
Yes. I'm kidding. Honestly, I got really scared because I hadn't been to a hospital since, like, it started. And then I went to a hospital because I was doing deliveries with a friend of mine. Because I got bored of being in the house, and Tiana's brother started doing, like, deliveries on DoorDash and stuff. So I went with him and his girlfriend, and because I also wanted food. And, like, we went to the hospital, and I was like, Jesus Christ, it looks scary.
No weapons allowed. What if I was packing before we left the house? That's your ID. You're to put it on the window.
It would, yeah.
Yeah, just in case you need a pen.
Okay. The only thing that maybe is they still going to put my name and time my appointment. The way they make this look too is very, very scary.
I'm showing him my license to carry.
Okay.
And then he sees the cleat sign, so.
Like this whole, you know, they make it look very scary. Look at them, look at how they're dressed. Can we just, it seems like we're getting ready for the zombie apocalypse.
Hey, if we are, I guarantee you I can kill 24 of them.
Okay. Get food. And, like, anything you get in is going to be anything the government tells you. Does that make sense? So they're like, we can be in, like, the coronavirus for, like, 10 years, and they're not going to let us know when it's over until they think it's, you know, they're going to, and that's how the government takes over the world. And I was like, damn, that's scary.
Yeah, it's bound to happen eventually. Unless we have another revolution.
I'm surprised. I really thought I was gonna lose a lot of money out of this. I'm losing money, but not that much.
Well, you got one of those essential jobs. You gotta feed people.
Yeah. But no, it's because I was going to a music festival this summer. Well, I was supposed to be going this weekend actually.
We're gonna go.
Yeah, I was gonna go, but because of everything that happened, like I got a full refund. But because some places were getting a full refund, they're only getting like half a refund, or like they're only getting 25% back.
This is interesting. Look at that guy literally driving in. It says no photography. I got a dash cam. Just leave it in the window. Please turn off.
Turn off the engine.
It's gonna get hot.
Or can I put the windows down?
Put the running boards down so they can step up if they need to.
Can you spell your first name? I'm sorry. No,
Hey,
don't pull your mask down.
No.
Pull it up. 1999. Alright. Roll it up.
It's auto. You just gotta pull up all the way and I'll do it for the rest of you.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, yeah, they scare me.
This is hilarious.
I know. I'm trying not. Okay, no. You do it.
Then go ahead and fold your folders. Fold them each floor so that I can see your name on the upper corner.
Do you need my ID as well, or
No,
just the
we
order?
already checked that. So your name on the outside. I need to
Turn around.
Oh, okay.
What is the pink note? Is that something that they
No.
need or you need?
No, they said to put that in the notes. I
Okay.
don't think they need it.
I'm gonna slide it in here. And here's some information about the virus and how to access your results online. And
Okay.
your doctor will get them as well, okay? So you can go ahead and roll up the window, drive to the next one, and then you just swallow it.
Okay.
It might help to put it, turn the engine on right now.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Within 2 to 4 days. Okay. I thought it was like 5 to 7 business days. We're fine. These people are working around the clock.
Blow your nose, and then just cover your mouth up with your mask, okay?
Okay. There's nothing there.
Closing one nostril at a time.
Do I? Okay.
Okay, just expose your nose for me. And I'm
Nose
gonna put
only.
this in your nose, okay? It's gonna be uncomfortable, sorry. Sorry. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
You're all done. Thank you.
I don't.
Like you'll feel it click.
I felt it click that time. I never feel it kick. On the bright side, when I test negative, like everybody in our family won't have it for sure.
Yeah.
Because then, like, they're, you know, I was bound to get it or something.
Your mom still works, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So other than grandma, all of us adults still work.
Mm-hmm.
I'm probably the least likely to get it, other than grandma. So I guess I'm the second least to get it.
Yeah. I mean, Didi's the biggest
Yeah.
to get it.
Just because she deals with it every day.
And then, well, my mom doesn't.
She's
She's only, they're really like separated. All their desks are like 6 feet apart.
well, she doesn't really deal with people though, does she?
No. Like, well, she used to kind of before, but now it's like not at all.
I'm wondering if I should make a video.
What?
Put it up.
The big cover. Oh!
Because this is no photography. Doesn't say anything about no dash cams. I didn't take pictures. I did not use my phone.
My dash cam did it. It's ridiculous in there. It looks scary. Like, what?
If I post that, that might actually be my best photo or video yet.
It might get...
Boom! This is going viral.